Hi, I'm Jay from daysofjay.com. We're here in London and today we're going to be cooking Coronation Quiche. Put 200 grams of plain flour in a bowl, grate in 50 grams each of unsalted butter and lard, add 1 egg yolk and 3 tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of salt, and mix with a fork. When the dough starts to clump together, squeeze and knead it briefly to form a smooth disc. Roll the dough out and use it to line a greased 23cm metal pie dish or tart tin. Prick all over with a fork, then transfer to the freezer for 30 minutes. Time for the filling. Whisk together 200 ml of full cream milk, 200 grams of creme fraiche, 3 large eggs and half a teaspoon of salt. Add diced garlic, tarragon and spring onions and mix well. Give 200 grams of spinach a good wash, then place it in a saucepan and pour boiling water over. Stir and leave for 2 minutes, then drain and refresh in cold water. Use your hands and all your arm muscles to squeeze out as much cold water as you can, then chop and add to the egg mixture. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, grab your pastry from the freezer and line with baking paper and foil. Bake 15 minutes, remove the paper and foil and cook 5 minutes more. Grate 125 grams cheddar, add half to the pastry shell with 75 grams cooked soybeans, pour over the egg mixture, top with the remaining cheddar, and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown and well risen. And there you have it. A perfect coronation quiche fit for a king. Happy cooking!